We have been blessed by Mr. Richard Davian once again, guys. This is the third package he has sent to us. And before I do anything, I just want to say thank you once again very much, Richard Davian. I really appreciate all these gifts that you send me, honestly. Let's open it up. I have some ideas of what's inside of here. I think there's some seeds, there's some books, but there are some things wrapped up in Christmas paper because this is meant to be like a Christmas gift from him. So it's wrapped up, you know, Christmas spirit. So we don't know what's inside of here completely. So let's open up and find out. The first thing though, like, check how the box is being ripped. Like, luckily Richard Davian, he put a box inside the satchel. Man, it looks like this thing was like someone wrote over it or something. It's like grease marks everywhere. And here it is. Here is our box. So of course it's a little bit crumpled over here and there's like a puncture mark at the top. Other than that, the box looks in good shape, so I'm pretty sure everything survived either way. Now for the big reveal. I'll open it with you at the same time. Look at that, guys. It's like Christmas decorations. It's a Christmas ball for a Christmas tree, which I don't have, but I'll put this on my Christmas tree when I eventually get one. Obviously some Christmas tinsel. Is that what you guys call it? Tinsel? It's kind of leaking everywhere. And don't know where you guys can see this. And this. And Richard knows why he sent this, but if you guys want to find out, you're going to have to comment below. And so here we go, guys. Let's open up our gifts. Man, this is, oh man, Richard. Okay, so we've got our 2 Christmas gifts, which we will open up at the end. Oh man, I want to share this with you guys so bad. We've got 2 Christmas gifts. They feel like books. And we'll start off over here. Life of Plants. And obviously there's a Carnivorous Venus Flytrap right there on the cover. Private Life of Plants, but David Attenborough. I'm keen to watch these and read these. Oh man, another one, The Galapagos with David Attenborough. Oh man, Rich, you've spoiled me. I'm so excited. Okay, and I'll do this one here. Nice little like carrying bag. Inside we've got a whole bunch of seeds, more Plankonia seeds, Drosera plankonia, the glid, Drosera glanduligera, the world's fastest moving sundew, Drosera auriculata, another tuberous sundew, Drosera hookeri, another tuberous sundew. All native to Australia, by the way, so if you're living in Australia like I am, you're very lucky. And Drosera mincara. Now, let me tell you actually a little bit about Drosera mincara. Drosera mincara is a name that Richard Davian has given this specific plant. This guy would otherwise be called Drosera pygmaea, the world's smallest Drosera, but there is a difference with this Drosera mincara. And he's actually sent these seeds to me in the past, and I've seen it for myself. The difference between Drosera mincara and Drosera pygmaea, or what we affectionately call it mincara, is that it is actually smaller than Drosera pygmaea, and I'm not sure what Richard said, but I think the flower stalks are also longer than Drosera pygmaea. So they are different. And I have it growing outside. I've seen pygmaea in the wild, which you guys will see in a future video. But I've seen them in the wild and I've seen mine out there. Drosera mincara is definitely smaller, at least half the size. So everything that Richard Davian has been saying is 100% true. Now let me just take this off because it's getting very warm. And then we have another 3 USBs from Richard Davian. Man. And on these USBs, look here. On these 3 USBs here, he includes some videos of, in the past 2 packages, it's been videos of him going out and looking at the native sites of some of these plants. So these seeds that these tuberous Drosera seeds and where these plants are in the wild, he actually records, you know, where those plants are, how the environment looks, all of that stuff, and takes us along on the journey. It's really, really nice. So if you want to see that in the future, if you want to see these videos on these USBs, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I do videos on these packages that he sends us. Obviously, can't do a video on the DVDs, man. I'll get copyright striked or something. But we'll see what's inside here. Maybe I can share some of that with you guys, but definitely the USBs, I do share with you guys and share the pictures and everything. So make sure you do subscribe. And this one, because it's obviously the one that I can see the most, I am so excited for this one, guys. The Venus Flytrap by Tim Bailey and Stuart McPherson. Now, if you guys don't know who they are like kind of famous, you know, nature people, but also very well known, especially Stuart McPherson in the carnivorous plant world. He has these videos on YouTube where he goes like on expeditions and finds plants in the wild. It's actually pretty crazy, like the stuff that he's seen, the plants that he's found and rediscovered and stuff. So he's well known, if that's the best word, is to say that he's well known. Oh man. And the thing about this book, guys, I recently joined a carnivorous plants group, all about books. And I've been looking at all these books and I've been like, oh man, I want to get more books about these plants. And like one of these big books is one that I really wanted. And Rich, you like read my mind. Oh my God, thank you so much. Look at these pictures, guys. Man. I'm very, very excited for this book, and I'm excited to see what these are as well, because I feel like these are also books. So now let's open up our Christmas present, our first one. It's definitely a hardback book, I can definitely feel that. So let's open it up and see what it is. Okay, let's just tear it open. Okay. Another one on Venus Flytraps, guys. Carnivorous Plants by Dan Torre. I've never seen this book before. So it looks like this guy, he's an author, Dan Torre. Sorry guys, I don't know much about books. But he is a lecturer at the School of Design in Melbourne. And it kind of talks about how he talks about these plants and reveals new types of information on these plants that we otherwise wouldn't really know. That's what the back is saying. So let me look through a little bit. Oh man, the first thing I open is a nice picture of some Sarracenias. Oh, and there's some cards sticking out. Ooh. There's a nice big picture here, and I think this is about the picture. Check that. Some sticky leaves from the sundew. See what this says, guys. Oh, Rich. Oh, Rich, you are too kind. So essentially what happened, I did send Rich some seeds, and what ended up happening is that I was supposed to charge too much for the package, and I told him like, you know, it was like a letter, it was literally a letter. And we sent it to them, and it's meant to cost, like, express post is like $3 or $5, whatever. They charged $12. It was insane. So, and I told Rich, like, just like having a conversation with him, and here he is, he's reimbursing, obviously, for that mistake. So, obviously, this shows his character. Rich is a very genuinely kind man. If you guys couldn't tell already anyway. So, Rich, thank you very, very much. This is very, very kind of you. You didn't have to do it really, but obviously thank you very, very much. Sorry guys, I'm so excited, like, I can't even speak properly. This book looks really, really nice. Of course, that one's going to the reading pile too, with some of the other books that he's already sent. And now let's open up this last one here. This one is also hardback. I can feel the hardback on it. And let's open it up, see what's inside. Wow, this artwork on this book is nice. Darwin's Most Wonderful Plants by Ken Thompson. Now, I don't know what this one's about, but I do think it is about carnivorous plants if the front wasn't a giveaway. And I think it's going to be about Darwin speaking, or Darwin's revelations, or what he found out about these plants. Obviously, this is a great, great little gift set here. Rich, thank you once again. This is amazing. This is great. All of these gifts that you sent me, thank you so much. And if you guys are excited to see the USBs, want to see me plant up these seeds, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to pick a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.